Do you want to increase your sales with a copywriting method in your Google Ads campaign? So stay here with me until the end and you will find a way to how to do it. My name is Edgarfxz, CTR. If you don't know me, it's time to subscribe to this beautiful channel. Activate the bell and give me a like if you like this content. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to talk you about what is a copywriting. Well, the copywriting method is to catch the attention with a headline of something. It could be a news on a headline, a newspaper, on a magazine, or in a product, whatever. So in this case, we're going to apply this method to catch the attention of your possible customer or your current customer. So in this case, I'm going to tell you that the best part is to create short headlines of at least 30 characters, for example, as Google recommends us. So in this case, the first headline is for selling a pizza. In this case, I want to tell you that I'm going to sell the pizza, and how I do this? Well, I write share the best and pizza. For example, the best could be your relationship, your friendship, or something related. Your brain is going to think, what is the best? Probably, I don't know, but probably could be the friendship. And if you bring pizza, it will be much better. So, in this case, once that we have the attention, you can select our variety of pizzas as pastor, that is related to the tacos al pastor in Mexico, and a pizza is a perfect combination here in my town. A Hawaii pizza, portobello, 4 cheeses, and pepperoni. Well, the kind of pizza that you are currently offering. The next part is for hungry. Oh, no problem. You can solve it with eating our hamburgers. You can select our favorite, for example, beef, barbecue, beef, jumbo, sirloin, chicken, and vegan. So you can add more details in your ads in the display network section. So the next part is, as you know, that we sell craft beer that we produce in our restaurant. So in this part is quench your thirst with a beer. Select your favorite. Probably if your beer is known in your town or with your customer, you can only write the beers that you already have, or you have to explain with more details in the description of their Google Ads campaign. The next part is the authentic German sausages. You can select dry fruits, fine herbs, and others. And the other part is the best of Turkish cuisine. It's the good durum kebab from Turkey to you. So in that part, it is simple. Just we want to catch the attention of the reader. If you can see, you can read a big headline along with the picture of what you are selling. So if you like this part, you can copy my method. You can use canva.com to create these kind of ads. And once that you have this, you have to select, and here you have to download, uncompress, and upload to your campaign. So once that you have here, we're going to go to the ads.google.com, and we're going to place here. In this case, I have already done this in my Spanish campaign, but I'm going to explain you how to do it. While you already have running a campaign, for example, I have this display network campaign of restaurant Chevatlan 2020. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click here in the Chevatlan again, and you can add another ad here. So you're going to click here in the plus. You're going to click here in the responsive display ad, And you're going to place here, for example, I have my restaurant menu here. I'm going to copy paste. I want to explain you here because it is in Spanish, but in general you can read something similar. So I'm going to paste here the final URL, and you're going to select the images that we already have. You're going to click here and then images and logo. You're going to upload the previous images that we have created, and we are going to click here in the headline, for example, the pizza, share the best with pizza. And you know that you have only 30 characters, so be focused on that. For example, in the case of the hamburgers, we have seen that we have created the headline of the hamburgers. You can use the same one. Hungry, no problem, solve. You can put this here, solve your hungry with hamburgers. Well, something related. I'm going to write only ham. I'm going to type here the best of Turkish cuisine. And once that you have your headlines, I want to place the images because it will take me time. But if you already know how to do this, you can jump. If you haven't done this before, I'm going to invite you to watch my previous video, how to create a Google Ads campaign here in the Google Ads, and you're going to see this. So I'm going to explain you this because you already have a campaign and just you have to add more ads to your campaign. Probably you can stop some campaigns that you have already done in the past, but you have seen that this campaign is having outcomes. So it is important to, if this campaign is having outcomes to your sales, just you have to change probably the images, the text in your campaign, and probably in the next days you're going to boost your sales. Probably you're going to have more. First of all, you're going to have more customers that go to your menu in your restaurant, and probably in 1 week or in the same week you're going to increase your outcomes. So just to finish this, before to finish this, I want to tell you that you can perform these outcomes. How you can do this? Well, it is important when your customer comes or arrives to your restaurant or to your business, it is important to ask to your customer how did they hear about you. And you're going to select, for example, I don't know, I saw an advertisement on the highway, I watched an ad on the newspaper, because Google Ads campaign works in that part, and you can have a feedback, a powerful feedback, how to know if this campaign is working. So just to finish, you have to do this, and you're going to see if you are having outcomes with this campaign and how to improve this. So I have to say you goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and give me a like, and we'll see you until the next. So bye bye.